Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how I made this Bangin Amapiano beats. From the plugins that I use, the selection of the sound and everything I will be showing you. And before we start, let me play the beat for you so you hear it, and I will show you how I made it. So guys, I'm sure you love what you just heard. So without wasting much time, let me show you how I made that Bangin Amapiano beat. So let me mute everything so I start one after the other, and I'll show you everything I use in making this beat. So the first thing we'll be looking at is the chord progression, and let's see how it sounds like. And I choose this sound from Lab. There's this soft piano in Lab, very soft piano. So this is the sound that I choose in Lab. So that's for the chord progression. You can hear it once again. So the second sound is pad. I use pad just to add ambience to the chord. So you have more ambience, more space you get. So, and I use Lab as well. I use Lab, and this is the pad I use in Lab. So let's hear out the pad sound. That is for the pad. So after that, I use I play this, and this is called the timekeeper. You know that sound that give you bam, 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 just to put you in timing. When to be body, when to check your body, we call it the timekeeper. So this sound, I use Omnisphere for this sound, and this is what I use, big bone sound. This is what I use for that. So after that, I come back and I also add another pad just to add more ambience to it. This is how it sounds. And I pick this from Purity, and it's called Tremolo Signal. Just to add more ambience to the beat. This is how it sounds. So after that, I added another timekeeper that goes. Let's listen. Let's hear it. I added another timekeeper. It comes just once. So, and this also, I picked the sound from Nexus. I used Nexus from the brass sound. I used Nexus. It embraced me. That's what I use for that. So after that, I use another pad because an Amapiano beats need more ambience. So I added another pad. So, and this, I also pick it from Omnisphere. From Omnisphere, this is what I use, the string pad, swell verb. It's what I use, is the sound I use for the pad, just to add more ambience to the beat. Just to add more ambience. So after that, the first melody that I had is this. Let's listen to how it sounds. And I use Purity for this also. I use a recorder in Purity. You can see it, a recorder in Purity. That's what I use for the first melody. Because as you can see, that's what I use. And the next one is the second melody. Listen to how it sounds. So that's how it sounds. And I also use Purity Soft Auto. That's what I use, Soft Auto, for the second melody. So after that, we move now to the drums. I have some Amapiano drums that I already have on my system, so I just pick them. So let's listen one by one. This is the first one. Coming. So this is the first one. Let's see how it sounds. Conga. The hi-hat. Second hi-hat. Open hat. Percussion effects, percussion mix. Now shaker. The first snare, the second snare, and let's have the kick. And yeah, the roll. So that's just that. The roll. So now let me play them one by one with the drums. Let's start with the chord progression. Now let's add the first part to it. Now the first time keeper. Now let's add another part. That's the second part. Just to add more ambience. Now let's add the third part just to add more ambience. The tremolo signal. So let me add the second timekeeper. You will love it. Let's add the first melody. Let's add the second melody now. You will love it. I love this beat. Come on. That's the breakdown of the beat. As you can hear, it's banging. It's banging. It's banging. So that's just it. It's very, very easy. I just show you all the plugins that I use, the sound that I choose, and here we have the results. It's as easy as that. Very simple. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And in my next video, I'll probably be showing you how I mix and master this beat. Or probably another beat, but I'll show you how I mix and master this beat then before I make another beat. So this is what we have for this beat. On to the next. Peace out.